In the quiet heart of America's desert test ranges, a new shape has begun to rise, sleek, silent, and almost alien. It's not science fiction. It's the Boeing F-47 NGAD, the next-generation air dominance fighter, built to keep the United States ahead in the race for the skies. This is not just a fighter jet. It's a system of intelligence and power, a fusion of stealth, artificial intelligence, and speed, designed to think, adapt, and strike before the enemy even knows it's there. The F-47 was born in secrecy, in hidden hangars, behind locked steel doors, where engineers and pilots test technology that seems decades ahead of its time. Every panel, every line, every electronic pulse serves a single mission: to dominate the air. Its design defies tradition. There are no vertical tails, no external weapons, no sharp radar returns. The smooth, flying wing frame blends invisibly with the sky. Its matte bluish-gray skin absorbs radar, deflects light, and controls heat. On sensors, it's little more than a whisper in the wind. At its heart lies an adaptive cycle engine, a machine that transforms mid-flight. It can shift from high-thrust combat mode to silent cruise efficiency, or manage heat for long stealth missions. It's an engine that breathes like a living organism, giving the jet unmatched endurance and power. Inside the cockpit, the human pilot isn't alone. An AI co-pilot, a digital intelligence, monitors data from satellites, drones, and radar systems, merging it all into one living display. Threats are tracked, analyzed, and countered in real time. It doesn't just react, it predicts. Enemy maneuvers, missile launches, and ambush patterns are detected seconds before they happen. For the first time, the aircraft can think for itself. But the F-47 doesn't fly solo. It commands a fleet of autonomous, loyal wingmen, drones, smaller, unmanned allies that fly beside it, scout enemy zones, jam radar, and even strike targets on command. Together, they form a living network, a digital swarm guided by one pilot and one AI brain. Every drone is another set of eyes, another layer of protection, another weapon in the sky. And when the F-47 chooses to attack, it does so with breathtaking precision. From its internal bays, it can release hypersonic missiles traveling over Mach 5, weapons so fast that no defense system can intercept them. In seconds, a target hundreds of miles away simply disappears. In this new era, distance no longer means safety. Inside Boeing's advanced facilities, production is accelerating. Robotic arms assemble composite panels. Radar-absorbing materials are tested under bright white light, and AI simulations run thousands of combat scenarios every day. Step by step, the F-47 is moving from concept to reality. Analysts predict its first flight before 2027, with full deployment in the early 2030s. Around the world, other nations are watching closely. China expands its J-20 and J-35 programs. Russia experiments with advanced Su-57 variants. Europe works on Tempest and FCAS. But none yet match the F-47's perfect balance of stealth, AI, and autonomous coordination. It's not just a jet, it's a digital command center, an ecosystem of sensors, drones, and intelligence fused into one lethal platform. For America's allies, the F-47 is a promise, a guardian in the sky ensuring shared security for decades to come. For America's rivals, it's a message that the next air war will not be fought by numbers, but by knowledge, speed, and precision. As the F-47 climbs through storm clouds into blinding sunlight, its silhouette vanishes into the glow. The sound fades, leaving only one idea echoing across the heavens: invisible, intelligent, invincible. The Boeing F-47 NGAD, America's secret weapon for the skies of tomorrow.